Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You only own a leasehold property for a fixed period of time. You'll have a legal agreement with the landlord, sometimes known as the freeholder, called a lease. This tells you how many years you'll own the property. Ownership of the property returns to the landlord when the lease comes to an end.
Let's help you make your mark.
If this is the case, then your landlord is solely responsible for repairing the windows in your flat, rather than yourself. If you did not receive the permission of your landlord before changing your windows, it is likely you have breached the terms of your lease in doing the work yourself.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.